I don't see why not. I mean, the dollar's pretty powerful, but like other than the dollar, I mean, we have the internet running nowadays, so it seems like cryptocurrency is sort of like a newer, more faster responding.
I think it will. I give it 6 months to a year. It's already taking over now.
No, never will. I think people who really believe in cryptocurrency are betting on a dystopian future where there is no government and libertarians rule. I don't think it's going to happen. They're crazy. You know, it's still Bitcoin. You can buy weird stuff with it. That's cool. Dark, evil things you can buy with it. That's cool. But so you can buy a car with Bitcoin, then you're talking, you know.
I do think so. I don't think the adoption is going to be as serious as we think it will be, because there are a lot of people who don't know even the possibility of what this will turn out to be in a few years. But I do think that it's going to have quite a bit of success. I guess this is, as I've said to many people, I think that this kind of adoption is kind of like analog to digital. So possibly, you know, this is just the new age kind of like orientation of like, you know, bartering system, you know. So I think.
Like entirely, maybe. It would not surprise me. I mean, I know many people who have invested in cryptocurrency and done very well with it. So we'll see. I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now, so there's a lot up for grabs in terms of our well-being.
I think that there's something there, and I think that, I don't know if it'll completely replace it, but I don't know that it won't. So anything's possible, and I think that there's a good chance that there's a really great future in it, obviously.
The future. So
I mean, sooner or later it will.
Possibly.
Yeah. Possibly. Sooner or later, I think it will.
Possibly.
Yeah.
And just finding the right way and a smart method to go about it and doing it and making sure your money is safe. And once they figure that out, then yeah, it'll pretty much be a go.
I want to be a millionaire.
It all depends on, you know, how much you're putting in, and then how much, you know, what you're dealing with, who you're dealing with, the banks. It depends on actually a lot. But I mean, in the future, yeah. Who's to say?
By like a certain time or just in general?
In general.
No.
Why?
No. I mean, maybe like hundreds of years from now? No. But no, I don't think so anytime soon. I think, yeah, anything like that is unsafe. Because, I mean, look at all the things that have happened.
Possibly, yeah. I think because of the success it's had recently, and just the confidence that people will have in the future. I don't know when. I don't know